How to balance cortisol levels naturally. Cortisol is a hormone released from the adrenal glands to help your body deal with stress. It's best known for its fight-or-flight response, where it prepares the body to react to a possible threat by either fighting or fleeing. It facilitates an immediate release of glucose while inhibiting insulin from storing any more glucose. This provides a quick energy source to the major muscles, including the brain, to help conquer the attack. While cortisol is essential for your body to stay protected and work normally, too much for too long may result in health consequences, including obesity, diabetes, high blood pressure, difficulty sleeping, and low energy levels. Luckily, you can naturally and easily bring your cortisol levels back to normal with these tips. 1. Avoid excessive exercise. Exercise is incredible. It controls your weight, improves mood and energy, promotes better sleep, boosts the immune system, and combats health conditions like high blood pressure and heart disease. It also helps lower your stress hormones, including adrenaline and cortisol. However, too much exercise may cause your cortisol hormone to stay high. This is because when you engage in exercises, such as endurance exercise or high-intensity exercise, your body releases cortisol in response to the physical stress exerted on the body. A lack of proper recovery but continued intense exercise causes your cortisol to stay high. 2. Get enough sleep. Chronic sleep-deprived conditions have been associated with increased levels of cortisol. Insomnia, for example, is a sleep disorder that makes it hard to sleep or stay asleep, making you wake up early and not go back to sleep. It often occurs due to chronic stress, but may have other causes. Insomnia interferes with your normal hormonal pattern, including keeping your cortisol levels low. 3. Include deep breathing exercises in your routine. Deep breathing is a relaxation technique that offers similar benefits, such as mindfulness and meditation. Individuals who practice regular deep breathing exercises have been shown to have low cortisol levels. 4. Pay attention to stressful thoughts. To lower your cortisol levels, you must aim to reduce stress. This can be challenging to do sometimes, but paying attention and recognizing stressful thoughts, accepting them, and allowing yourself to process them without any judgment may help you deal with stress better. Being mindful of your stressful thoughts can also help you make deliberate decisions on how to deal with them. In one study, individuals that participated in a mindfulness-based program had a lower cortisol response. 5. Laugh more. A good hearty laugh increases your oxygen intake, stimulates your lungs, heart, and improves circulation. This regulates cortisol and causes your muscles to relax for up to 45 minutes. Laughing also promotes the release of endorphins, the feel-good chemicals that relieve stress and diminish your perception of pain. Laughing may also boost the immune system, lower blood pressure, stimulate your organs, and help with weight loss. So take a break and engage in those things or with people that make you laugh. 6. Take up a hobby. Taking on the hobbies that you enjoy has been shown to promote feelings of well-being and reduced cortisol. In one study, middle-aged veterans who took gardening as a hobby recorded decreased cortisol levels and improved quality of life more than other occupational therapy programs they undertook. 7. Maintain healthy relationships. Relationships can either build you or break you, especially those that you cannot easily get out or change, such as family or in marriage. Stable, compassionate, and loving relationships have been shown to facilitate cortisol normalcy after an argument. Also, support from a loved one before facing a stressful situation may help lower stress-induced markers like increased blood pressure and heart rate. Research further shows that children from loving families have reduced cortisol levels compared to those that experience regular conflict. 8. Get a pet. One study found that being in contact with a dog during a stressful situation improved cortisol levels more than talking to a friend. Another one found that interaction with therapy dogs reduced cortisol in children undergoing medical therapy compared to those without an interaction. 9. Eat a nutritious diet. Diet is essential for general health and well-being, including your hormonal balance. High sugar intake may increase your cortisol levels or inhibit its production during a stressful situation. This makes it difficult for your body to regulate cortisol and deal with stress accordingly. Also, a diet rich in saturated fat, refined grains, and added sugar contributes to increased cortisol compared to whole minimally processed foods, including vegetables, fruits, grains, and polyunsaturated fats. Other foods that promote healthy cortisol levels include probiotics and prebiotics, healthy fats such as olive and avocado, legumes, and whole grains. You can also include adaptogenic herbs such as ashwagandha and maca to help you manage stress more effectively. Bottom line: cortisol is a hormone released during stressful situations to help your body deal with it. However, chronically elevated cortisol may lead to poor health. Following the simple practices above, such as getting enough sleep, building healthy relationships, being mindful of your mental state, and eating a healthy diet, can help you relieve stress and balance your cortisol levels naturally and in no time.